Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for subscribing if that's what you do. Yes, this is not deja vu. Or should I say no, it's not deja vu. I did this tour last month, but I'm doing another one, part 2, because I bought so many things since then and put them up in my house that there needs to be a part 2. So I'm not gonna show things I showed in the last video already. You're gonna have to go to the link down below in the description box for part 1. But I'm just gonna show you all the new things that I added since part 1. So when this video is over, if you haven't seen part 1, it'll be linked down below. Okay, let's just jump into it. So this is all gonna be stuff that are new. Okay, so, and everything is pretty much from Dollar Tree. That's not me, that's the floor. Oh my god, I know it sounds like I farted, but I didn't, I promise. Okay, you guys. Okay, so this sign, really cute, Halloween sign. Happy Halloween. Welcome. Yes. Let's see, this is new. Have a spooky, creepy, frightful, happy Halloween. And I love this one. Instead of hugs and kisses, it says bugs and hisses. Cute. Little speakers. Oh my god, fall. Love it. So cute. And then I want to show you this. Autumn leaves and pumpkin spice, please. That's new. Happy Harvest is new. And then that's new. Hello, Autumn. That is new as well. And then over here, we have Happy Halloween, Home Sweet, Haunted Home. And then we have this area here, Fall. Okay, well, so this one I already, yeah. I'll show you this again because this was in my room. I moved it here. So Fall's in the air. This is new. Family where love begins and love, wait. A family where life begins and love never ends. A mess. I can't even read apparently. And then leaves are falling and autumn is calling. So that's new as well. Okay. What else is new? Here we go. This is new. I love this. Autumn pumpkins. Pick your own. Hair rides at dusk. So pretty. This is also new. These bronze leaves. Oh, let me put this light on so you can see better. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Pretty. These are beautiful. This is new. Eat, drink, and be scary. Love that. And then trick or treat. So this is actually the welcome sign that I showed in the hall, the Dollar Tree haul. But I didn't even see that on the other side was this. So you're gonna see this for the first time. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. I'm just kidding. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat, like candy. The neighbors have the best candy. The neighbors have good candy. And I see how it's like pointing at the skeleton over there. Yeah. Okay, this one is really cool too. That's new as well. In the bathroom, I did put the squirrel thing. I decided to keep him here because he's so cute. So I'm just gonna take it out of the shower and put it here. Yeah, because I like it, and that's me. Hi. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna put it here. So when I'm done with the shower, I just put it back and forth because it looks better here anyway. Because in the shower it's hidden because I like to close the curtain and stuff like that anyway. So, sorry for that random toilet shot. Oh, and this is I don't know if I showed this in my other video. I think I did. Yeah, and then I'm just using the pumpkin pecan waffles, which I'm obsessed with. You guys, the next empties are gonna have Bath and Body Works products in it. I'm so excited. Oh. Okay, you guys. Enough of that. Let's go and finish up. I think this is the last spot. Oh yeah, my room now. Haunted. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I added some stuff in my room because my room was like looking not too decorating. So I need some stuff for my I need some more decorations in my room. Haunted. And this little corner here is so cute. I put haunted here, the pumpkin. And then this little scary skeleton thing popping out of the book. That is so creepy. Oh my god. So yeah, that was super duper cute. Wanted. And then of course over here. So behind the door, I have the witch is in. Let's close the door. Yeah, the witch is in. Yes. And then with the witch theme, welcome. Shaped like a broom. Super cute. I think that's everything. Yeah. So that's actually everything, I do believe. So yeah, I will link part 1 down below in the description box. That includes everything outside and downstairs, and in detail everything that I kind of zipped through in the other room that you were like, I want to see that. Well, you gotta down below, part 1. Go check part 1 out. I posted it last month. And yeah, this is part 2. So check that out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. More Halloween and fall and Halloween hauls and fun stuff coming soon. If you love seasonal videos and hauls and so much more, this is the place to be. So thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until next time, kisses, or should I say bugs and hisses. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, happy fall and Halloween. Bye, guys.